Let's kick it. Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. Ice is back with my brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I will go to the extreme. I rock a mic like a vandal, light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance, I watch the eagles go boom. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom, deadly. When I hear a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better get away. You better mess around with this kid, don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolving. Ice, ice, baby. Vanilla ice, ice, baby. Vanilla ice, ice, baby. Vanilla ice, ice, baby. Now that the party is jumping, with the bass kicked in and the Vegas are pumping. Quick to the point, no faking. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon, burning them. I be quick and nimble. I go crazy when I hear a cymbal with a hi-hat and a souped up tempo. I'm on a roll, it's time to go solo, rolling in my 5.0 with my rack top down so my hair can blow. The girl is on standby, waiting to say hi. Did I stop? Nah, I just drove by, kept on pursuing to the next block. I bust left while I'm headed to the next stop. The block was dead, yo, so I continue to A1A Beachwood Avenue. Girls were hot, wearing less than bikinis, rockin' love, drumming Lamborghinis. Jealous, cause I'm out getting high. Shade with the gauge and vanilla with the 9. Ready for the chumps on the wall. Chumps acting ill cause I'm full of 8 balls. Gunshots rang out like a bell. I grabbed my 9, all I heard was shells falling on the concrete real fast. Jumped in my car, slammed on the gas. Bumper the avenue's packed. I'm trying to get